Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook fried smoked fish with parsley sauce. Okay, so these are all the ingredients for the sauce. We need 2 2/3 tablespoon of butter, 2 2/3 tablespoon of flour, and 1/4 flour and 2 2/3 tablespoon of milk, and then half a teaspoon of white pepper, and then 4 tablespoon of parsley. Okay, so to start, fish first. So the fish I marinated with salt, black pepper, and then I dredge in the flour also. Okay. This fish is it's already deboned. So wala na ni bukog. Boneless. So we're gonna put it all. Okay guys, and we'll wait until it cooks. Milk fish or the bangus is done. So ato sa ni siya i-set aside guys, kaya maghimo ta og sauce para ani maghimo na tag sauce. So ato primero ato ibutang ang we're gonna add the butter. By the way, my butter is not so much, so I add just a little margarine. More on butter because that's the only I got as of now. We're gonna add the flour. Butter and then flour. Okay, sakto na. Because I don't want that super thick. So you just add milk, guys, if it is super thick, because you know, but it's not super also good if it is super thick. Pepper, and then the parsley. It's very creamy, guys. We're gonna add a little soy sauce. There's a color also, guys. It's nice. We're gonna add the fish. So the sauce is very creamy, guys. Okay, we're gonna add the fish. Okay. Okay, we're gonna flip it over. Okay guys, so that's our fried milk fish with parsley sauce. Got that one, the parsley sauce is done. So it's testing time. Fish with parsley sauce, it's done. So I'm gonna test. I just get half of this one. Okay guys, and then we're gonna off the heat now. Okay, it's tasting time. It's very hot. It's good guys, with the parsley sauce it's good. It's yummy. It's yummy guys. So that's our fried milk fish with parsley sauce is done. Okay, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe.